So this would be an HD11 EP transmission. We've removed it, and we know that it's actually locked up. When we bought the tractor, it was stuck in second reverse because the fellow that operated it was in second forward, and he had never driven it and he didn't know how to stop, so he slammed it in reverse. So it's been stuck in reverse, and when we bought it, we were able to move it, but the other day after it sat, it started to move backwards and then it locked up. So we actually ended up moving the tractor over here to the shop with it running and tying the friction levers back, and then we could push it real easy. So anyway, Brandon's got the transmission totally removed, and we're going to dig into it here and see how it goes. This will be our transmission stand. We've never had a transmission on it before. It was our engine stand. I fabricated this probably about 45 years ago. We believe it was for loading bombs. We cut it all up. Anyway, we've had Cummins engines mounted on it. I think we've rebuilt AC 3500s and AC 11000s on it. Anyway, it's a pretty trick little thing, and it hasn't been used for many years, and so we're gonna adapt it to this transmission, the EP transmission, which is also the B transmission. We have 2 or 3 of these we're going to get into, and actually we have a couple of 12Gs that we might end up getting into. So that's what we're going to try to figure out here as a mounting plate and go from there. We actually have 2 of these. One of these is in its original form, and we turned it into a welding table, but so it's been used already. The Allis-Chalmers service manual shows the transmission being anchored in a different way, and we're going to try to mount it from the bottom because it would make it easier, we think. We'll find out. plate off and try to use it for a pattern up here on the stand. Just drill some holes in our engine transmission stand to accommodate that bolt pattern, and then we're going to try to bolt it on that way. So is there any more goo on it?
So that's all frictions.
Transmission
Clutch material.
clutch material.
Smells like that.
Smells burned too.